This week, I'm going to show you how to add the Patreon app to your smart device to make things easier. First thing you're going to do is you're going to find this icon here that says app. Now this is for iPad. And you will click on it and it will take you to the App Store. So once you get into the App Store, click down here where it says search. And then up there, we're going to put in Patreon. So once we have that up in there, we click search. And you see here, now you can see this icon, that tells you that's the Patreon we want. Okay, so we are going to click on it. We're going to download it. And it will all, we have a great connection, so it happened that quick. So now you can see we have an icon on our page, and I forgot to mention, if you do have a Google device, you can go to your comparable one that is like our App Store. You can go to the Google store to get your apps there. But here you see that's our icon. It's a little difficult to see because it blends in with our background, but you're going to click on to this. And when you do that, that will bring on the Patreon page, and now you're going to log on. So we are going to log on with email. So we're going to click right down here. Once you're logged on, then we are going to go to your account, which is this button right down here. You see that one is black. And then we're going to select My Memberships. My Memberships, that will pull up your active memberships, and you can see Spacecraft Interactive Museum, Virtual Museum. And then up here, this is one of my favorite podcasts, is Space and Things. So you can just click on it, and that brings up the membership that you have for, in this case, it's a podcast. Once you log on, you'll see on your smart device, if on a tablet, not on your phone, but this is a tablet, you'll see it looks kind of like what you have on your laptop. So you can scroll down here, and here is October 18th. We'll click right up here, right there, right there, and there you go. Then you have your spacecraft. You can go through all of the functionality of the tablet from Patreon. Now, let's go to your smartphone. Your smartphone, it looks just a little different. As you can see, we have our phone here. We have our icon. We'll click on that, and then you can see if we go to My Memberships, click on that. It brings up your accounts. We'll go to one of my favorite podcasts here, Space and Things. You click on that, and it automatically comes up. Now, so once you go to your favorite site or one of the memberships, you just make sure you click on Posts, and then everything works pretty much the same. You just click on the post that you want, and you can see you have all the functionality. The pinch and zoom all works, and it will take you to all the functionality that you have just on your laptop, but this is on your handheld device, either your iPad, your iPhone, or any other smart device that you have. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you really want to support me, please visit my Patreon page, which the link is down below.